Hi, how's it going there, guys? This is Musal, OFGBFx. Last week, we welcome to our weekly outlook. Last week we talked about a few pairs, and I think they are still up and running. We have the NZD/USD, which is still yet to get to the retracement zone, the possible reversal zone. So basically, what the buyers, what sellers will be still looking at, this market is still a selling market, still a bearish market until this level PRZ over here. So basically, what you should be looking at on the NZD/USD daily is right now it's basically a scalpers market, the intraday traders. Right now, a swing trader wouldn't like to get into this pair until the other side. So intraday guys, the short-term traders should be looking to short flags or however they see fit. So basically, you'll be looking for short opportunities on this pair, really. So the NZD/USD is still a bearish market. So perhaps you'll be looking for bearish moves to the downside to short. That is what we should still be looking at on this pair today, throughout this week, really. So just be careful. If you really know how to scalp, if you really know how to do intraday trading, you should be getting good money on NZD/USD. But if you're a swing trader, a long-term trader, you really should have gotten in a long time ago. And if you haven't, you should just wait for a retracement, to be honest. That's a pound NZD/USD. We have the Euro NZD here, which is forming multiple flags. We called this trade last week. We bought from here. And when you see the retracement zone that we gave, that was a bounce off of this level over here. So if you are taking some of the trading advice from last week, you'll have gotten a little bit from this trade right here. So the NZD/USD is still in an upward trajectory, and basically buyers will be looking for flags to get in this trade. That's what buyers basically will be looking at, because this key level was taken out last week. We talked about the Euro Pound, the USD card, the Euro Pound. So we talked about the Euro Pound, the USD card. So the Euro Pound gave us a very, very nice bearish candle yesterday. So, pardon me, last week. So basically what we still be looking at, the Euro Pound is still very bearish. We should still be selling this market. We shouldn't try to get into any buys until around this level over here, which I think all of that things being equal might give us further down moves. So just be careful on the buys and focus on the sells for now. So perhaps this level first of all, then if this level doesn't hold, we are looking at somewhere down here to this low level. But if all of that things being equal from this level, we should get a retracement back to the top side. If not, a down move here will be very, very good for most of us that have shorted this pair from here. So the Euro Pound is still down. So the Euro Pound, the NZD/USD, the USD card. I just want to give us a little bit about trading psychology today. I feel I have I should do that. I have the urge to do that. So So I put up some little rules, some basic rules for traders to follow. I think the first one is if you already have winning trades on, concentrate on those and try to make the best out of them. So it's saying I rather put more money on a winning trade than look for new opportunities. Rather put more money on a winning trade than look for new opportunities. So basically what it is telling you is you need to focus on the kind of trades that are making you money. So when you focus on those trades and those trades are bringing in more money, you just need to learn how to pyramid, take more advantage of these trades, take more advantage of the trades that are winning for you at the moment. So it is not that because you are winning a trade, then you go in and look for more opportunities to throw money in. So basically what you are trying to do now is that you are looking for trades that will give you less probabilities, because this one has already presented itself. Instead of going to risk maybe 5 for 3% on a new trade, why wouldn't you find a pyramid, look for a good place to add to this position and get most out of this trade, because it has already presented itself. Are we good? So what we are trying to do is, trading is nobody knows for sure what the trade is going to do. All we have is a mathematical formula, which is the technical analysis, that tells us this number of trades, if we trade like this, is going to give us a number of outcomes over the time. So that is how technical analysis works. It just gives us the market memory, and the market is going to do this in the past and perhaps is going to do that now. So if you have a market that is reacting to that particular cycle at the moment and you have money in it and it's going well for you, why wouldn't you just take advantage rather than looking for a new opportunity that might not work? All right, good. So that is one. Concentrate on number of pairs that you can handle. Some people feel, because basically this all these forex gurus that are on Instagram, Twitter, whatever, they have this like multiple screens, big screens. Wow, like it's impressive, but you don't know what kind of trader they are, right? And people feel you need to be cool to make money in the market. No, you can just have a PCA screen and you are making a ton loads of money than some other traders who have this multiple screens. So you just need to concentrate the number of pairs that you can handle. Too much activity doesn't mean money. The more you trade, the more you are likely to lose money. So if you know you can focus on 2 pairs at a time, just take 2 pairs at a time. You don't want to be looking at 7 to 5, 6, 7 pairs because of the cool of it. I can handle more than 2, 3 pairs at a time. So when I'm in 2, 3 trades at a time, I'm okay. But you want to trade multiple trades at a time because you feel making more money would taking more trades will give you more money. And that's a lie. More activity doesn't mean more money. It means more potential losses. So you want to know the amount of trades you are okay with to trade. You want to find out for yourself how many trades you are okay with. The more activity in the market, the more you trade, the more you lose, because first of all you are paying spreads. So the more you are active in the market, the more you are paying the broker your money. So you should keep your trades numbered, really. So when you have 2 trades running, when you have 3 trades running, you need to say, okay, this is my max number of trades. Some people want to look at 5 trades at a time. You can't. If you know you can't concentrate on 5 trades at a time, just keep it numbered. Keep it 1, keep it 2, keep it 3, and you're good to go in the market. And the last one for this session is take some time off after some winners and losers. So you just want to keep yourself in check. when you are winning some trades, you feel you are on top of the world, and mistakes come from that. You feel you can go further, keep on taking trades and trades and trades and trades. Wow, it's my work. But at some point in our psychology, there could be overconfidence. So when you feel you are getting to that point, you just need to take some time off from the winners. Take some time off. Maybe after 3 wins, 3 straight wins, 4 straight wins, take some time off, relax, take an off day, go for a ride, go for a jog or whatever. Take some time off the screen. It helps eliminate overconfidence. So you don't get overconfidence and get hyper, and you think you have arrived, and you start betting more on the market. If that happens, then you are heading for somewhere else. And take some time off after the losers. Some people want to be aggressive with the market, and when they lose some money, they feel they want to get that money back instantly. And it shouldn't be that way. Even the more you lose, the lesser you should trade. The more you lose, the lesser you should trade. So don't try to get your losses back. Just follow your plan, stick to your rules, take some time off after every loss. If I lose a trade today, I know I won't be trading till like tomorrow or next, or the third day, because I need to refresh my mind to get my confidence back before I get back to the market. That's all for now. Have a good one, guys. Until next time.